Well, what an amazing week we had last week. I don't know if you saw the results last week, and we're expecting something very similar this week. So stick around. I'm going to show you the weekly analysis on Forex and gold and see where the profits are for the next few days. A very warm welcome. This is Chris here from the TradingMentors.com, and I am head trader, head coach. And here's my results for last week. As you can see, plus 20,000, plus 58,000, plus 57,000, plus 15,000, plus 18,000. I think we're up about 287,000 so far. So let's keep it going. And here is the market. So here's the analysis for gold for the next few days, for the next week, from the 4th of April. It's the 3rd of April today, Sunday. And I'm going to give you some predictions for the next few days. Now we have support on gold at 1891. It's above the 50-day moving average, which is the blue line, and we have a nice trend channel here. If the price comes down to this zone, this is called convergence, and this is really interesting. It might not come down this far, it may just come down to the 50-day moving average, but down to 1891 is very interesting. Target 2069. For those that have not met or looked at order blocks, these are blocks where institutions are getting ready to sell or buy, and the red zones are sell zones for us and the green zones are buy zones. So as you can see with the euro dollar currently 1.1054, we're expecting this to continue its downward move to 108.20 in the next week or so. So the US dollar is hitting the buy zone now, the green zone, and it's a double bottom as well. So we're highly likely going to see the price move up to 126.50 in the next week, and extension is 12800. Extension simply means that the price is overextended. And you can see the red zones and the green zones, and these are very easy to see, and these are where institutions are waiting for to buy and load up. Another one hitting the buy zone is the New Zealand Canadian. This is interesting only because there's convergence. Notice the 50-day moving average and the buy zone. This is a great correlation and highly likely to continue up to the target area of 0.8770 in the next week. Notice the red zone. This is where the institutions are likely to set up some sells. So keep an eye on that target for the next week. The ones to look out for: gold 1924, possibly going up once it's had a little retracement. Euro dollar going down potentially. US Canadian going back up, and New Zealand Canadian going back up as well. So they're on our red hot list for tomorrow morning, Monday morning, the 4th of April, where we shall be doing another video at about 7 o'clock in the morning, where we'll be doing an intraday chart, which is much closer to the market, and we predict targets for the day. Here we can see that oil is currently 98.5. Expecting this to move back up. We can see that now there's convergence, so the price is converging in an area of support. 97.34 is major support. Anything near that, correlating with a 50-day moving average, could come down to the buy zone at 86.90 or $87, but highly likely to hold on to this trend line here as you see it, and then start move back up to 125. And remember, with oil going up, that it means that gold will go up as well. So that's what we're expecting for this week. I'll be posting these charts out onto my social media, so hopefully you'll enjoy that, and I hope you enjoy the video. And please remember to subscribe.